Hello friends, welcome to our channel. Friends, today I have taken a new video like every day. Today, our video topic is how to make best weight loss drink at home. Before starting, I want to say, please subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon for more updates. At first, take a clean bowl. Then, take half piece of lemon juice. Now, add 1 tablespoon of ground ginger. Mix it now. Then add 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar. At last, add 1 tablespoon of pure honey. Mix it well properly. Now, take 1 glass of clean hot water. Strain the mixture. Mix it with the hot water properly. Now, ready for drink. Drink it 2 times every morning and evening, every day for better results. Drink regular for 1 month. Friends, see you again in our next videos. Friends, thanks for watching. Please comment, like and share.